Alright guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today I'm gonna show you another surprise from Amazon. Okay, we got another surprise. Let's see. Alright, what we got here? Guys. Oh dang. That's how they package it? Looks big. But we'll see. Smoke lens for my KYT-TT course. Let's see if it's gonna fit. Let's check it out. Okay, let's see. This is KYT-TT Course helmet. We're going to replace the shield lens with this smoke lens. Alright, supposed to go there. So let's see if it's gonna fit. Okay, right, should pop out. You pull this lever, open it all the way up. All right. Okay, this one looks big though. So you have to hook it up first. All right. Open. Close. Open. Lock. By the way, the lock for this helmet lens is it's over here at the front. right there. This one goes there. There. There you go. It fits. All right. Let's go like this.